course, if you have a need to slash and spread, sometimes you'll have a need to slash and overlap, meaning take in a little. And I've seen that mostly on the power bar side, where you got a little gaping here. If you can pinch that out and pin it, that's room that you could slash and overlap, so you can just take up. So say we're going to do a 1/4 inch. Start with that same slash down to a hinge, and then come back and overlap. Bring it in about an inch. I mean a 1/4 inch. What's wrong with me? Bring it in a 1/4 inch. Tape it down. And then on your paper, because you brought it in, you may have a little divot right there. So you just want to take your ruler and true up that line. Right there. And just true it up, because depending on how much you take, you may have a little gap right there. And then tape it down and cut it to be your permanent pattern piece. There you go. And now you have adjusted your upper cup to come in, you've adjusted it to go out, and you have adjustments where you flatten the curve. Have fun.